Hello everyone, welcome back to my success channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a video using PowerPoint. But before we get started, please take this moment to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video. Then click the notification bell so you will get the latest uploads. Now, let's go to PowerPoint. So let's say you want to make a video on how to make mac and cheese. Once you have set up your slides, you will then go to Slideshow and Record Slideshow. We want to record from the beginning. Now, before you click Record, decide if you only want an audio script or you want a small video feed. If you want the video feed, you can click this camera. And then your video will appear here. If you want a silent video, you can always turn off the microphone as well. So I'm going to turn the microphone back on. I don't need video feed, so I'm going to leave this off. Now, you can click Record. Countdown. Looking for a simple recipe for delicious macaroni and cheese? Well, you've come to the right place. You only need 3 main ingredients. 2 cups of elbow macaroni noodles, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 package of sharp cheddar cheese. You can figure out the rest. Once you have finished your video, then click Stop. If you have made a mistake and you want to clear the recordings, you can click Clear and then clear all of your recordings. If you are satisfied, then click Close to exit out. Notice you have this symbol for your audio clip. This will not show up in your final video. So go to File, click Export, create a video, and then create a video again. Now we're just going to name it Mac and Cheese Video. Save. Now notice at the bottom it's going to show how your video is exported. Once the export has finished, you can then open up your files and then open up your video. And here is the final video. Looking for a simple recipe for delicious macaroni and cheese? Well, you've come to the right place. You only need 3 main ingredients. 2 cups of elbow macaroni noodles, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 package of sharp cheddar cheese. You can figure out the rest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.